So I got the inner pot for the crock pot that is non-stick and ceramic coated. So when I do use my Instant Pot on the crock pot setting or on the slow cooker setting, I do like the taste of my meal better. I've tried it with the stainless steel, and although it cooked well and everything's fine, but I did find a metallic taste to my meal because it's slow cooked in there all day, and I didn't like that so much. So once I changed it to this, it made all the difference. It just completely had that slow cooker taste for the crock pot, and it's the same size. As you can see here, it fits perfectly in your Instant Pot, and then you can just use that as you normally would, and the Instant Pot lid fits perfectly on top. So if you are going to use your Instant Pot for some slow cooking, I highly recommend this. Totally non-stick, and it has the perfect slow cooking taste for this. So I highly recommend this insert.